Self-imposed Citizens Coalition for Change (CCC) Interim Secretary General Sengezo Tshabangu says his party will support all government programs, but colleagues in the party think otherwise. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. In an interview with Southern Eye during the commissioning of the Pupu Memorial Site Monument in Lupani by President Emmerson Mnangagwa, Tshabangu said, "This is a very unique and important place and a symbolic place for the people of Matavele land, where the last battle of King Lovengula was fought, fighting imperialism and the whites. This is where we say the people of Zimbabwe won in that battle. The reason we are here to represent and complement government programs. We give it a thumbs up. We are going to be visible in all events that are symbolic. Anything that has national interest, we are going to support it." CCC Steering Committee Treasurer Mbuso Siso, however, dismissed Tshabangu's assertions, saying it is not the party's position. According to the party, Tshabangu remains suspended from the party. Whatever he said at Pupu was not a statement from the party's information desk, but his own personal statements. His representation as the senator of Matavele Land North Province does not mean he represents the party, Siso said. This is today's news about Tshabangu and CCC differing on government projects. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.